Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm reviewing a new yarn. I'm really excited about this one. This is the Lion Brand Mandala watercolor, and like look at how pretty this is. I am super obsessed with the colors on this. I've worked with their Mandala yarn before, we reviewed it before, but I've not worked with their watercolor, and this is kind of, it looks like a roving almost. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna grab my hook, grab this yarn, and let's get started. Hi friends, real quick, if you guys want to join the coolest crochet community on the internet and join over 20,000 members that love yarn just as much as you do, click the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in our community. Alright, so we are back with the last of our Lion Brand Expedition, this month at least, until they come out with new pretty yarns to review. But this is the Lion Brand Mandala watercolor. So this one, I love the depths of the color. Like, it looks like a watercolor. With the dark greens and the blues and the grays, like, it's so pretty. So this is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 164 yards. It says machine wash gentle, lay flat to dry, which I would probably not even machine wash it because it's like a roving almost. 75% acrylic, 15% wool, 10% nylon. So if you have a wool allergy, be careful with this. This is a bulky 5. It says it's a 6.5 millimeter hook. I'm going to test that, but I'll probably end up with an 8. And this is in the color Quarry. This is so pretty. Like, I love this yarn. I already, like, I haven't even messed with it. I don't care if I hate the yarn itself. I love the color and how it feels. It's really soft for, like, it's almost like a roving texture. Looking at it, I don't know. Maybe that's not correct, but that's what it looks like to me. Yeah, you can kind of see it's twisted, but it's like one big twist of like fluff. We'll start with the 6.5 that it calls for. We'll see. Okay, so the 6.5 did fine. I think, so last week we had reviewed a hemp yarn by Lion Brand that was also a bulky, and the 6.5 didn't work as well, but this time it worked fine, and I think it's because it's not multiple strands put together and it's one big fluffy strand. But this is so squishy. Like, I love this. I'm probably going to turn this into, I'm probably going to buy like a ton of these and make granny squares out of them because I feel like they're going to be beautiful. Yeah, this is awesome. It is definitely a bulky yarn. You can see, where is it? Like, as the colors go, they start to have like speckles of color change in them. And then I'm assuming, yeah, as this comes out, you can see more speckles, and then it darkens. It's really pretty. Like, it's really pretty. I love the squish factor of it. I love how beautiful the stitches are. No, this is a really, really pretty yarn. It would probably make like one of the warmest beanies ever. or mittens would be really nice, or a cowl. This would be a warm yarn, just because it's so thick and it's plush. But yeah, so if you have the opportunity to get some Mandala watercolor, I would recommend it. Like, look at those color, like, I love this. I love the blues and the grays and the greens. It's so pretty. It reminds me of slate, which I love that it's quarry, but it's so pretty. But yeah, so if you've crocheted with this one before, let me know. This is a lot different than the regular Mandala yarn. But it's gorgeous. I think I love this one more. So let me know in the comments below what you think, if you've worked with it before, and I cannot wait to see what you guys say. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.